Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a cozy, comfortable crochet ladies sleepers, shoes, designs, ideas. These are perfect for relaxing at home. In this video, you see many different ideas, different pattern, or you give these all the ideas for your lovely ones. In this video, we will be making a stylish ladies crochet sleeper designs ideas. These sleepers are easy to make at home and relax. These are unique and you make these all the ideas. You use many different stitches and make these all the ideas easily. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To shape the shawl, we will use technique. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern or sleeper style. Add embellishment like button, applique work, beads, pearls, stones and many other accessories you use and decor your sleepers easily. You give this all the ideas for your lovely ones. You make this all the ideas easily at home with the help of crochet hook and yarn. And that's it, your crochet lovely ladies crochet sleepers are complete and ready to wear, ready to gifting. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. I have uploaded many different type of videos on my YouTube channel such as crochet work, baby booties, ladies dresses, ladies booties, sleepers, crop top, ladies dresses, baby frocks, mini skirts and many other ideas about crochet work and knitting work and many different home decoration ideas such as living room areas decoration ideas with the help of crochet work such as crochet work cushions covers, pillow covers, table mats and many other accessories you use and decor your home easily. So thanks for stitching along with me. See you in the next video. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like this all the collection. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.